Air in your car's brake system creates several distinct warning signs that every driver should recognize. These symptoms indicate a serious safety issue that requires immediate attention. In a properly functioning brake system, hydraulic pressure transfers force from your foot to the brake pads. When air enters this system, it disrupts this critical process. The most common sign of air in your brake system is a spongy or soft brake pedal. Instead of feeling firm and responsive, the pedal feels mushy and requires more travel to engage the brakes. Air in the brake system significantly increases your stopping distance. You'll need to press the brakes earlier and harder to come to a complete stop, which can be dangerous in emergency situations. Another critical sign is when the brake pedal gradually sinks to the floor under sustained pressure. This happens because air compresses more than brake fluid, causing the pedal to slowly move downward. You may notice that pumping the brake pedal multiple times makes it feel firmer temporarily. This happens because repeated applications compress the air bubbles, but this is only a temporary fix. In modern vehicles equipped with electronic brake monitoring, the brake warning light may activate when the system detects pressure irregularities caused by air in the brake lines. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek professional brake service immediately. Air in your brake system is a serious safety hazard that compromises your vehicle's stopping ability and puts you and others at risk. Diagnosing air in your brake system requires a systematic approach using both visual inspection and testing methods. We'll cover the essential diagnostic techniques every driver should know. Start with a visual inspection of the brake fluid reservoir. Look for air bubbles floating in the fluid or any discoloration that indicates contamination or moisture absorption. Next, inspect brake lines, connections, and fittings for signs of wear or leaks. These are common entry points where air can infiltrate the hydraulic system. A simple field test involves applying consistent pressure to the brake pedal to assess its firmness and travel distance. A spongy or soft pedal often indicates air in the system. Professional diagnosis involves specialized equipment. Pressure testing uses gauges to measure hydraulic pressure consistency throughout the brake system, revealing air pockets that affect performance. Electronic diagnostics using OBD2 scanners can detect brake system faults in modern vehicles equipped with electronic brake monitoring systems, providing detailed fault codes and system status. If you suspect air in your brake system based on any of these diagnostic signs, seek professional diagnosis and repair immediately. Brake system integrity is critical for your safety and the safety of others on the road.